Welcome everyone to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all having a fantastic day. We have turkey here today. I'm gonna fry you some very juicy turkey wings. In Africa, this is kind of like a street food you can enjoy with fried yam, kinky, banku, whatever. So without wasting much time, let's just get into the ingredients right now. I have about 3 pounds of turkey wings cut up here already. I have half a large sweet onion. I have half red onion here. I have 3 habanero peppers. If you don't like it too hot or spicy, you can reduce it. If you want it more hot, you can increase it. I have about 600 grams of ginger here. I have 3 cloves of garlic, and I have 1 Maggi shrimp. Right here, I have a teaspoon of anise seed. I have 1 tablespoon of rosemary, dry rosemary. If you have the fresh one, you can use that. That's even better. And I have a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So I've actually cut up my onions, my ginger, and my garlic here, and I'm gonna blend it. I'm blending it with the shrimp Maggi and the hot pepper. Okay friends, so I've blended my ginger, onion, garlic, and anise seed, and the rosemary with the hot pepper and the Maggi. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and pour it over it. I'm gonna let this sit for a while. So this is my chicken seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it over. And here we have it. I'm gonna let this sit for a while, and then I'll put it on the fire and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, then we fry it. Okay friends, so I'm gonna turn my fire on now to medium high, and I'll stir it a little bit. Just turn it around to disperse the seasoning into it. And I'll leave it on the fire for about 15 to 20 minutes before we fry it. Okay friends, so it's been about 20 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead now and turn the fire off and get it ready for frying. Okay friends, so my oil has been heating up. I'm gonna go ahead now and transfer my turkey into the oil. Okay friends, so as you can see, our turkey is almost ready. Yeah, I'll just wait for like a minute or two and I'll take it out right now because it is ready. So my turkey's ready. I'm just gonna go ahead right now and take it out of the fire. So friends, here we have it. I present to you the best, juiciest turkey wings you can ever make. I hope you're inspired to try it. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and I hope you're inspired to stay because there's better things ahead of us. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.